Welcome everyone to another exciting book, The Nice Mice in the Rice, written by Brian P. Clearly. This book focuses on long vowel sounds and is a great starting point for children who are just starting to learn phonics. For those of you who are new here, my name is Remy and I'm an early childhood content creator and author who specializes in creating content for children between the ages of 2 and 7. And I hope this book will help your child develop love for reading that will last a lifetime. If you enjoy my content, I would appreciate if you could consider subscribing or liking my videos, as it will help to reach more children and parents who may not have the means to purchase these books. However, as a disclaimer, please note that you should still go ahead and buy this book for your child. If your little ones are facing a challenge with reading, I would love to help. You can write to me at bagitindia@gmail.com. I will try my best to reach out to you. So let's begin. Lee can see the bee. Can you find 3 words that sound alike? Now here, EE makes the long vowel sound E. Yes, it is Lee, C and B. The toad takes his load on the road. Can you find 3 words that sound alike? Here, OA makes the long vowel sound O. Yes, it is toad, load and road. The mole and the pole are in the hole. Can you find 3 words that sound alike? Yes, over here, the O and the E at the end make the O sound. So it is mole, pole and hole. The horse rose to my nose. Here, the O and the E make the long vowel sound O. Can you find 3 words that sound alike? Yes, it is hose, rose and nose. The piles of tiles go on for miles. Here, the I and the E make the long vowel sound I. Can you find 3 words that sound alike? Yes, it is piles, tiles and miles. Jake can make a cake with a rake. Can you find the word that sounds like Jake, make and rake? Over here, the A and the E make the long vowel sound A. And the answer is cake. Well done. The ace and the vase and the lace are in the case. Can you find the word that sounds like vase, lace and case? Good job. It is ace. And the A and the E together make the long vowel sound A. The line of 9 dine on the wine. Can you find the word that sounds like 9, dine and wine? It is line. Here, the I and the E come together to make the sound, long vowel sound, I. Sometimes it is also referred to as a silent E. The goat in the boat dropped his coat in the moat. Can you find the word that sounds like goat, coat and moat? Yes, it is boat. Here, the O and the A make the long vowel sound O. The nice mice in the rice played dice. Can you find the word that sounds like mice, rice, and dice? Yes, it is nice. Well done. Here, the I and the E make the long vowel sound I. Sit in your seat, eat your meat, and be neat. Can you find the word that sounds like seat, meat, and neat? Great job, it is eat. And here, E and A come together to make the long vowel sound E. J may lay some hay by the bay. Can you find two words that sound like J, hay, and bay? Yes, it is may and lay. Here, the Y is acting like a vowel sound. The AY makes the A sound. Gale will fail to find a nail or a pail in the mail. Can you find two words that sound like gale, nail, and pail? Yes, it is fail and mail. Here, the A and the I come together to make the long vowel sound A. Hide on the side and ride on the wide tide. Can you find two words that sound like ride, wide, and tide? Good job. It is hide and side. Here, the I and the E come together to make the long vowel sound I. Thank you for joining me as we reach the end of this book. I hope you enjoyed reading it as much as I enjoyed creating this video for you. Please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel so you can stay up to date on all the latest content I produce that is specifically designed for children between 2 and 7. Thank you again for watching and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Goodbye.